It's that time of the year again. Time to get your inspection renewed at Blue Star Brothers. Hi, my name is Ivan Senior, General Manager here at Blue Star Brothers. And today I'm going to show you what goes on during a New Year's Day safety and emissions inspection.
The safety and emissions inspection is the annual test the state requires to ensure your vehicle is safe to be on the road. Despite everything we look for, it's a remarkably quick procedure. We check the condition of your tires to make sure they are still safe to drive. We check your brakes and suspension to make sure they are in working order. The last thing you want is to find out they are not in good condition during an emergency. We also make sure your lights and wiper blades are working properly. We scan your vehicle to make sure there aren't any problems with the electrical or computer systems. We also check to make sure your vehicle is not over-emitting. This isn't just good for your vehicle, it's also good for the environment.
When all is said and done, you live confident that your vehicle is safe to be on the road. Thank you, and we'll see you next year.